what if we have this uglyish multi-step equation? Lots of things happening to this. So if I'm isolating for x, if I was evaluating it, sorry, the first thing that I would need to do is to subtract 6. That'll be my number one step. After that, I would need to do the square root. So the square root is going to be the second step. Afterwards, I need to multiply by 3. And the last thing that I would do here would be to add 2. So when I'm isolating for this, I got to get rid of the last thing, which is the plus 2. I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. That gives me 6 is equal to 3 square root of x minus 6. The number 3 steps was to multiply by 3. So now I need to get rid of that multiply by 3. I will do that by dividing the whole thing, both sides, by 3. That gives me 2 is equal to the square root of x minus 6. Now I got to do step number 2, which is the square root. What is the opposite of square root? We're going to square both sides, and I get that that's 4 is equal to x minus 6. And lastly, which was the minus 1 step, I need to get rid of the plus to the minus 6 by adding 6 on both sides. And I get that 10 is equal to x. As you can see, if you just follow BEDMAS at first, and then you just do the same thing backwards to isolate it, you will hopefully find that you can answer any multi-step equation.